Yeah, hello everyone. We have some issues with the reception, so we have to take the computer in the car, and so we can get the next episode for you guys. And now we're going to start up the car. Now we're going to plug in that, and now I have to start up the things in here again, and the fridge. Like that. And now we take the and now we leave this place. We've been here for 2 nights now, so it's time to leave. Yeah, we did some repairing of the road, and yeah, it was not the best road now. Jesus. Some corrugations, and we have seen some reindeer now when we have been driving here. Probably not have off-road tires and things like that. Yeah, we have pretty good surroundings here, but yeah, it's not that much to look at, so see you later. Yeah, now we see it was a little dirty, that road, so the Caravan is pretty dirty. And now we should see what has happened in the Caravan, because it was pretty good bad road. There, this one has like fall down. Yep. That's no problem with that. These ones have and that one have fall down. And yeah, and the new episode is out for you guys too. This one has fallen down, and This one has moved a little bit, but nothing else. Huh. Impressive. Yeah, we're going to eat something. Yeah, I do think Erika's map license will be taken away. This is the road we are going to drive, and we have been driving on for like 3 miles or something like that. And yeah, it's some parts of the road is pretty bad. But yeah, I'm happy that I have the Jeep and new tires on the Caravan and the car, because don't want to run a flat out here. It's like out in nothing. But you have some nice streams and some small lakes that looks very nice. But now we are going up to Haparanda, and then we're going further north in Sweden, so we should go up to like Pajala or something like that, and take a look around there, and then we will see what happens, because we have to drive down, and depends on how long time everything takes. Maybe we go to the southern Sweden too, but we will see. It depends on how long time we spend up here in the northern Sweden.
4 kilometer kvar.
4 kilometers left, then we're going to turn, and hopefully it's a better road, because this one is, yeah. But you can look at the trees there, that's always something. And the Caravan is pretty dirty now. So hopefully we got the bad road. And the speed limit on this road is 80 kilometers.
4 kilometer kvar.
And I'm driving like 50 and 60, and that's enough. And then I pulled the Caravan too. But yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, that we get on a bad road. So
Kommer en bil då?
huh?
Kommer en bil då?
I'm happy that I have raised the Caravan, so I don't have to be worried if I'm going to go further out. But this road is a little narrow, and if you get some cars from the other direction, you have to go out pretty far out on the side of the road. Right here the road is pretty wide, but sometimes it's not so wide. Yeah. gravel that is in the center on the road and on the right and left. That one is, if you go out in that one, like the car is slipping around because it's that soft. So I don't want to go too much out with the Caravan. Yeah, now I see the sign that I should be careful for other cars and let them pass before me. Vänster va?
Ja.
Yeah, look at that. Tarmac. Or asphalt.
Men fan, arbetsgivare 4,7.
Yeah. Oh. Now we have a good road. Nice. Yeah. That road should be a shortcut, but I don't know if it was that. Yeah, we're out on the other road now, so now we're going to drive and see you later, guys. Look at this. This looks pretty nice. Maybe we want to take stay here for the night. Yeah. Ooh. Jesus. Here we have some toilets too. The tires is not that warm, but you have some fire pits so you can do some fire in, and you can, looks like you can go down and do some fishing too. It was pretty much with the access to the water is not the best, I see. Here we have a little trail that is going down. But interesting. See what it stands here. They even have firewood. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Camping spot. Yeah, here are we. There you have big Storeforsen.
Ja.
It's probably where this picture is from, and that one. And here you have fishing and everything.
Ja, här är Älvsbyn.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks interesting and not so close to the road either. So a little quiet place. And garbage bins and toilets and with wood and everything here. Okay. Yeah, toilets. Yeah, the wood was totally empty. If that has been full, I've been impressed. So if you're going to have a fire, we have to use charcoal or run around in the forest and get some burning materials. And it looks very clean in the forest here too. Yeah, we're going to discuss and see how we're going to do, if we're going to stay here or if we should drive some more. Because we have like 200k left to the place that we are planning on staying on. So yeah, I'll be back, guys.